The Fisher Little Monsters Magic Show.
I'm not doing that.
All right, ready? You guys sit down. You're the magic. You're the audience. Get up, go. You're the magician.
You go like this.
I need you for your magic power. Get up. We have a box of crayons for Nona to pick a crayon.
All right.
And we're gonna use Coco's magic. You pick whichever color you want. And I'm gonna tell you which color it is just by feeling the crayon behind my back. You put it in my hand and I won't look.
Show it again. I don't know why it's there. It is. This is. No, I see. All right.
All right. Coco, I need you to fill me with your magic.
It was.
Are you filling me? No. I don't need you to cheat for me. I need you to fill me with your magic. All right, here we go. Here, take your crown. Whew. Your crayon is green.
Wow.
Yes.
Why do you think that?
Because of magic.
Oh, I thought because there was no purple.
Oh!
And green would be my next favorite.
That's one magic trick. Who's up next?
Jalen.
Okay. Coco, we're gonna need your magic. Better stand up. Come
We're
on,
gonna
come
need
on,
you to do
shout.
the
We're gonna
abracadabra.
need you to do the abracadabra. All right. All right. So this magic trick
Uh-huh.
is
Has a question mark.
Coco is gonna or Jalen here is gonna show you an empty box.
Okay. It's empty.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
And now
So now.
Jalen, Coco is gonna make candy magically appear inside the box.
Abracadabra.
Oh, is it real candy?
Holy moly!
Is it real candy?
You're good, Jay. Wow.
It's real candy.
It's
Coco,
a
make that candy
Skittles.
disappear. Make that candy disappear. You gotta say something.
Abracadabra.
Abracadabra. Oh, that candy's gone, boy.
You're good, Jay. You're good. I like that one. Good. The best so far.
This my turn.
After this one. Hold
Abracadabra.
on. Ain't no abracadabra. Yep. All right. Now, Coco, I need you for this one too. You're the magician. Now, Nona, you remember that box of crayons, right?
Yeah.
Nona, did you
You
open
picked the
my
crayons.
candy?
You saw the crayons.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
All right, we're gonna make the crayons disappear, but I need Coco's magic. Coco.
Abracadabra.
Ah! Coco, you made the magic crayons disappear. All right, now we're gonna bring them back
Wow.
to life. We're gonna bring them back, okay?
Abracadabra.
Ah!
Jeez.
The crayons are back. Good job, Coco.
Wow.
All right, now with the grand finale,
Grand
we
finale.
present Bubba.
Bye-bye, Jameson.
So what you're gonna do is you're gonna pick a color.
Show her the box.
Okay.
Show her the
So
cube.
there's gonna be a so you're gonna choose the color that's on this cube,
Okay.
and then you're gonna give it back to me. But it's in the box, so I can't see it. And you put the color that you choose on the top, and then I'm gonna guess it with just using my X-ray vision.
X-ray vision.
All right.
Just pick one,
You turn
right?
around.
So I'm just gonna
Yeah.
pick. Okay.
What color would you like?
Abracadabra.
Okay.
Okie dokie, Bubba. We've got a color. Turn around.
And
He's doing magic.
he's doing magic. Does he need Jericho's help?
Jericho, help him out with magic. Shoot him some magic.
Abracadabra.
All right, let's see. Did you pick?
Oh, wow. You're good.
Blue.
Yes. Very good, Jameson. Wow, y'all are amazing. Y'all learned that just while I was taking a bath?
Yeah, probably
A couple
about 30 hours before that.
Oh, lots of practice. Okay. Good job, guys. I liked it.
Did good.
I need to get some video of that.
Of what?
Y'all in the mask. All right, one more trick from the master tricker.
Yeah. Alright. And I told Bubba, I said, you gotta pretend like you're doing magic. You gotta be like, magic, 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 magic. And what did he do? He went, magic, 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 magic. And I was like, no, you gotta like be like, and now, with our X-ray vision, I will choose your color.
Do you need Jericho or Jameson's help?
Yeah, I need Jericho. I need you to have a cadaver in my X-ray vision. So I can pick Nona's box.
I need to poke Jinx's button.
Yeah,
No.
push his button and do my magic.
Come on, Abra.
Do it. Shazam Seattle.
He keeps kicking me.
Come on! Shazam me!
Shazam. Shazam.
Yellow! Was it yellow?
The box isn't open.
What?
The box isn't open.
Oh, well, you didn't remember your color?
Yeah, it's yellow.
Okay.
But I want to see it be yellow.
Oh.
Okay.
Did you like put it in?
You can't see it, because you want to see how the trick works?
Don't tell it on camera.
Oh.
With the masks off. Especially you, Coco, because you look like a little creepy munchkin.
Well, you may have to. What's on?
Get her!
Ah! Little monsters. Little monsters.
Coco, keep your mask on and chase me down the hall. Coco. Come chase me, Coco. Ah, leave it alone. Ah!